was taken by the loneliness of skies without the stars. Oh, and I am racing against the clock that guarantees a broken heart. Oh, but I am seeking the truest meaning of the word, calling the Lord who's there for me. Oh, and I believe in this pain as meaning. What is life if not without sincerity? Oh my Lord, yes I am here, yes I am yours. Oh my Lord, yes you are near, and you're the cure. In need of healing, I bear the wounds of battles in my life I've lost. Oh, I can't conceal it. The one who heals can see beneath my open scars. Oh,